Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Adobe Firefly with Adobe Account. Adobe Firefly is directly linked to Adobe Account. The good news is you do not need a separate connection process, you just sign in and it automatically connects. So first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and once you get into this browser, in the top there's an address bar. Type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And once you get into this Adobe interface, what you can do is you can simply click under the sign in the top right corner here. What you can do is you can also continue with the Google, Facebook or Apple what you have previously signed it, or you can simply continue with, and you can also select to the sign in here and simply type down an email address and select continue. And after that you can continue with the Google over here. And that is it. This is how I can connect your Adobe Firefly with Adobe Account successfully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.